Hello guys, welcome to the 7th tutorial on ASP.NET. Today we are going to learn wizard control and file upload control. So let's start. So the first thing what I'll do is I'll go to toolbox and drag one wizard control. Now let me explain what wizard control actually is. Wizard control is similar to multi-view control but with some more exciting features. The features are like buttons are already present. We don't need to drag buttons for moving to previous page or next page like we did in multi-view, and this wizard control UI is much more beautiful as it has inbuilt themes. So I'll show you some of the themes. So here you can see various themes which we can use. So I'll use professional theme for this program. So I'll simply click on apply and OK. I'll just make this a little bigger. Now here inside this box I'll start designing, but before designing let's change this menu options. As you can see, step 1 and step 2 are the menu options which are there. So I'll simply click on this menu bar and I'll click on this add and remove menu bar and I'll change the name. Let's say the first name as student details. Now I'll change the second menu name as student course, and I'll add one more menu where I'll print my result. So here you can see this menu options are also there, so it's easy as compared to multi-view. Now I'll start the designing portion. So for that I will drag one label. I'll change this label to name, and I'll drag one text view. So let's move to this student course. Here too I'll drag one label. I'll change its name, let's say course, and I'll drag one text view. So here in this third one I'll simply drag one label only so that I can print my results. So once this is ready, I'll double click on this wizard control. Now here you can see that wizard navigation event object has been already created. So I'll use this object to find the index like we did in multi-view. We basically use the index to move to pages. So this is the 0th index, first index and second index. So in second index we are going to print the result. So that's what I'm going to do. So if e dot next step index equal to 2, then there I'll print the result. So label 1, I guess label 3. So label 3 dot text equal to name is, I'll concatenate with text box 1, and then we have course is the second text box, that is text box 2 dot text. So it's done. Now here I can use /n also to move to next line. So I guess this program is ready. So let's run it and check the output. So I'll put one name, let's say Akash. I'll put the course as BCA and here you can see, okay, next line didn't work, but it's okay. So name is Akash and course is BCA. So I hope you guys understood this program. Now let's move to the second one, that is file upload control. So I'll simply remove this. I'll remove this button as well, as it is not required right now. So okay, now the next program is file upload control. Now this file upload control is basically used to upload some documents in our, let's say, website, server, database, wherever we want. So for that purpose we use this file upload control. Upload our images, like that. For those purposes we use this. So I'll simply drag one file upload control, one button and one label to print the result. Now this is a simple static file upload program. So here basically what I'm trying to do is, if in let's say if from this desktop my file is found, then I'll simply print as file uploaded along with the name of that particular file. If it is not found, then I'll simply print file not uploaded. So I'll change this text name to upload. So I'll double click and I'll start the code. If file upload 1 has some file, then file upload 1 dot save as, I'll give the path here. So I'll use this symbol. I'll give my path, that is C users my name and desktop. So this is the path where all my files are, and I'll connect it with file upload 1 dot particular name of that file, and I'll use this label to throw one message that file uploaded, and I'll simply connect with the file name, whatever I am printing. So that's it. Now here I'll give the semicolon. Okay, it's ready. Now I'll do the else part. Else, if file is not found, then it will simply print that file no file uploaded. So that's it. So let's run this program. Now here you can see when I click on this button, right now I haven't selected any file, so it's giving the output as no file uploaded. Now I'll click on browse and select any of the file. So it can be anything, image, Word file or something like that. So I'm selecting this let's say a.html file. So I'll click on open. Now here when I click, so you can see that file uploaded with the file name a.html. So I hope you guys understood this program. If you have any doubts, you can leave in the comment section or you can text me. Thank you for watching.